Hi all, welcome to Navya Markets Limited. This is our webinar on Amtech Auto. Amtech Auto we picked based on both fundamentals and technicals. This is a Fundatech stock. Amtech Auto is a leading Indian supplier of automotive components and is an integrated player that manufactures forgings, machining and sub-assemblies. It is having a subsidiary in UK, in Germany, 2 in US, 3 in India and 2 joint ventures. Let us first look at the auto component industry's fundamentals as such. The auto component industry has seen robust growth for the 4 years leading up to 2007-2008. But after that, during 2008-9, due to the financial crisis and the global recession, and lack of demand, it has seen a strong decline in its top line as well bottom line. Mainly since exports form 22% of the auto component industry, and 60% of that exports goes to developed nations like US and EU, which are adversely affected by recession. The revenues of the auto component makers were hard hit. But thanks to the stimulus package around the world, lower interest rates and lower commodity prices, and also the demand is recovering globally and domestically. Due to all these factors, auto component industry could see a recovery in the past few quarters, and this is very much evident for the past quarterly numbers. Domestically, the news is a lot better. It's not just about the good auto sales numbers, but also that India is expected to become the manufacturing hub for auto industry in the coming future. This makes the future look very rosy for auto component industry. So among the auto component industry, we picked Amtech Auto because it's one of the largest integrated player, and it sells directly to the original equipment manufacturers, manufacturing two-wheelers, three-wheelers, passenger vehicles, commercial vehicles, and also to engine manufacturers. Major customers are in India, Europe, and the US, and they include large players like Chrysler, Ford, GM, Honda, etc. So, in this favorable sector scenario, as explained above, Amtech Auto is best placed to capitalize on the opportunity. The financials for Amtech Auto also look encouraging. The revenue has increased at a CAGR of 27% and PAT at a CAGR of 50% for the 4 years leading to 2007-08. But as other players in the industry, in 2009-10, Amtech Auto also has seen a significant decline in both top line and bottom line due to the financial crisis. But going forward, we expect Amtech Auto to return to its earlier growth rates as the macro fundamentals turn favorable. In valuation perspective, the stock is presently trading on par with peers at a PE of 22 times its trailing 12-month EPS, and it is also trading near to its book value of 176. But considering the strong positive outlook for the stock, for the company, and also the auto component sector as such, we expect the company to post very good numbers in the coming future, and we feel the forward PE is very low at the present levels. So, based on all these favorable factors, we expect Amtech Auto is a very good buy at the present levels with a strong upside potential. Even technically, the stock looks very positive. At the present juncture, the stock comfortably stayed above rupees 160, where the 200-day moving average hovers, and that signals the prevailing bullishness. For a medium-term perspective, the downside crucial supports to watch are rupees 150 and rupees 125, while the resistance is around rupees 182, and if it crosses this level, it is expected to reach to rupees 240 and rupees 320. The trading strategy is to bet on this counter once it sustains to stay above rupees 182 level for a target of 249 and 320 in the coming days. As the stock is strong both fundamentally and technically, we recommend buying this stock. Thank you.